Hello, welcome. In this video, I am trying to clarify once again what I made that my previous video about this 1 minute breakout pattern. Okay, so I have shared couple of times with you in live trading also how it is working. Today also I shared that by drawing this is Bank Nifty LOC, and once this LOC is broken, you see there is a good fall. Okay, so today I will just going to the directly to the point, how to identify this type of pattern, how to uh, keep watching on this pattern also. Okay, so directly I am showing you which type of pattern you have to follow. Okay, first of all, before I am starting, just I am saying you don't draw a line for the breakout. If you are drawing a line for the breakout, you are thinking price is moving here and it will be after breakout you are getting good point here. Of course it may be, but not every day. Not every day, believe me. Every time try to draw a zone. Try to draw a zone. Okay, because zone it may be 45 points का हो सकता है, 50 point का, sometimes it may be more than 100 points also. Why you have to follow the zone? Why you have to make a zone? Means price is not retraced from a particular line. Sometimes it is retraced from here, sometimes retraced from here, sometimes retraced from here, sometimes from here. So that's why we have to avoid the error. Okay, so to avoid the error of real value area, so we have to draw the zone first. Okay, once we are successfully drawing the zone in 1 minute time frame, we have to watch the pattern like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, okay, that means from this area, when it is come back to again this area, time frame must be minimum 30 minutes, or you can say more. If more also, it is very good. Here also minimum 30 minutes, or you can say more. And keenly observe the 3 times touch. Once there is already 3 times touch, there should be a fall down. Should be a breakdown. Otherwise, after that, anytime. Okay, same reversal also. Okay, then it will give a good breakout. And just keenly observe at the third time or when it is going to give a breakout, if price is spending couple of minutes there, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes is spending there, and after it is giving the breakout, it will give you more perfect chances. Okay, so this is the example of horizontal. So I am giving you another type of breakout example. Okay, so another type of breakout you can see. Okay, suppose this type of rectangular things is you have to draw, then go for what's the price only. See, one time price is touching and come back, again that place come back. When third time it is going na, just keenly watch. If it is spending couple of minutes there, then watch for the real breakout. And of course, time frame must be 30 minutes here. So it is really a good breakout. And this angle, what I am saying, must be 45 degree, 60 degree. It is really helpful, but don't go for 80 degree, 90 degree or more. Don't follow this type of angle. These two angles always give you good chances of breakout. So in today's market, you see, simple, price is touching here 918, second time 10, 10, 20, duration of gap 1 hour. Okay, first time, second time, you see, third time 2 hours gap, and you see the fall. Okay, sending you, giving you the another example. It is really, regular basis it is happening. You see, if you going to draw a zone, you see, first touching is 1020, second 1040, 1150, 12, 1135, you see, and healthy breakout, you see. If you are watching another examples, you see here, if you are watching another examples also, see, this is happening in a regular basis, but you have to follow all these things really in a perfect, perfect timing. Otherwise, it will be really gives you sometimes freak out also. But whenever it is happening, it must be giving you good amounts of points. Okay, definitely. I am showing you. You see here, same 1 minute time frame. See, one time touch, second time touch, third time, and you see the breakout. Marvelous breakout. You see the duration 920, 1020, and 30 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour. Sorry, more. This is 1 hour. Okay, this is 1020. This is 1135. 1 hour. This is 1134. This is 1236. 1 hour. That means if price is sustaining here 3 hours in a zone, so how is it possible you are thinking that price will continue in a zone? It should be, means Bank Nifty cannot sustain in a three hours in a smaller zone. It has to be breakout. And you see, so my advice, always find this type of zone or this type of zone and find this type of pattern with a big dip or a big rise gap with having duration of minimum 30 minutes, then only try for breakout. Of course, you have to follow volume, also some possibility indicators, whatever you are following for add-on basis. Okay, hope you like this video and practice this backtest, then only go for final trading. Thank you.